magiging matagumpay ito.
O teka lang, Super Yoshi, may angulo! Nahanap si Dominic kahit na makapag-trigger pala yun.
Okay, atas muna sila dito. Si Dominic Napot! Mula dito kay James Haji. Win at Gina overturn. Dapat pa din si Let's. Hindi na nga muna. Di man ganun yung bottom lane ay pwede nang abatihan dito. Wait lang, di man kahit magiging target niya. Napatay! Itong si James. Di mo tayo sa banasa dito ng Smart Omega. Bagong barangay ay naghahabang na rin. At nag-aantay ng panibagong timing. Pasok si Ryzen dito. Nag-isamang force. Dito kay Letsky. Nag-away with the crowd. Boy pa rin. And di man kahit kailangan na makakadikit na mga minions dito at hindi mapipigil.
Bituhin, if you are Omega, tandaan natin may stun din na binibigay yung portal na yun. Pero mukhang lalabanan nila sila ng Tore.
Kaya papasok pa yung Shadow. Kita ko na pagsalu-saluhan na ng mga member ng Aurora. Hindi pa natin masyado ng
Ay,
kaya na po. Nakita na nakakalit. Hindi mo na maalam na. Kaya nagamit na rin yung portal na mag-isapin for para kay Doming. Yung amin sa tugal niya, bitawan ni Suprios, pero hindi na siya mabubuhay. Pero dito na yung next wave ng minions nila. Kompleto pa rin ang Aurora. Si Uweta magiging target. Pinaka-flicker na kalipad. Ang matutugay na nagamit. Paul is there. Dahil si Letsky nakaka-free-hit lang. Kailangan matras dito ng Smart Omega. Lalaban pa sila sa mag-isapin force. Ang papanabuhay ni Super Yoshi. Mabuti na may na-defensa nila pero hindi pa para dito nila mga Ichiboy. And Ryzen will go down. Din Doming Kite ay nananalasa ng muli. Sira rito una yung flow ng wave. Yung flow ng minions. Pangalawa yung threat ng isang chip. Pero ang natutukan yung nagamit niya. Si Legend Zero, ladies and gentlemen.
Sa gaming ay week 1 pa against Falcons. Pero mukhang mahuhuli si Light at makakapag-trigger pa rin yun. Pero yung bad lang dito sa Smart Omega.
Okay, nakakabit ng guard ni Super Yoshi. Ang 4v5 na mag-iilaban. Yung Lord ay sasalubugin nila. Defender yung gagamitin. Sa patatay damage dito ng Aurora. Para ito na si Super Yoshi. Pero si Ryzen na with the crowd. James dito sasalubugin nila si Uwe. Kaya ang sakit ng pokes mula doon sa isang Marsa. Hindi pa rin mamamatay. Tatapusin na nga na. At ang Aurora.
Kaya may tip yung rock. Kaya siya, palihan ba? Pinigpik ko ba? Pinigpik ko. Ayaw, kanina may ikaw. Kanina may ibutay alcohol. Kanina may ipaibabaw. Pero bali siya. Mamani ang tubangan. Ibutang niya may babaw. May paanan niya siya.
Mas mayo nung kanilimpyo kayo away na siya. Kasi siya balik tira. Okay na. Ano na ito planan?
Hindi na mo sa natin. Wala na pong second portion. Grabe yung ginawa ni Toto sa may bahagyo.
Ito na siya.
Silver man na stapler.
Wala, bisa ka na eh.
Hindi, buto na natin.
Last 2 minutes in the fourth quarter, going to go 74-83.
Duwa man po magsapaw.
Kami naman lang.
Lagi ka na.
Pwede rin ako kami.
Gabaw ka. Gabaw ka na nila. Tingin lang ng alcohol pa rin. Ano?
Laylay po. Saan ni?
Asidik ka ba at
Dixon to Redfield. Dixon lets it fly. Yes! 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 Ricky Dixon. Dixon with a big one with 1 second remaining. Oh, what a big save! Richie Dixon, the birthday boy, celebrating his birthday with an unbelievable baseline jumper. Good cut by Ramos.
Itong Alaska talagang hinahanap si Johnny Abarientos, ha?
Ramos, muntik mawala, na-save niya. 2 seconds sa shot clock. Hawkins libre. Bang!
Never losing composure.
There's Benji Paras. And there's a foul. We'll take a look at that last play under the basket of Alaska.
Ito yung tira ni Abarientos. Oh, it looks like it came off Kenny Redfield. And Kevin Ramos, sinasabi sa referee, hindi naman ako last touch.
No,
Kaya sinasabi natin kanina, how long with a high percentage of the field pass. And Don Hawkins scoring from up close. Creighton takes off of his feet, as well as the Alaska fans.
alam nyo, ang Shell had the lead of as much as 10 points in the third quarter. The biggest was at 12 in the second quarter. But a searing 14-4 run by Alaska Milk gave Alaska an opportunity to come this close. It's 62-60.
Well, Seb, yung running attack ng Alaska was in high gear in the third period. And si Escobar yata tatawagan ng foul.
Okay, Anthony Suntay has a quick report.
Okay, thank you very much, Seb. Well, sabi ni Coach Tim ko sa mga players niya, guys, we're still here. Play smart and we can still win this championship. One bit of information is going to be very interesting. We put Kevin Ramos on Kenny Redfield for the next couple of plays. Let's see what happens. Back to you, Seb.
Yes, indeed. We will see what happens in that particular matchup. 2-point lead by Shell.
Si Escobar tinawagan ng technical foul. Well, yung sinabi ni Anthony Suntay, yes, that will be an interesting matchup. Ramos came through with 2 big rebounds and a big basket in the closing seconds of the third quarter. Alaska forced to play all Filipino. Alam po natin ito si Sean Chambers already with 5 personal fouls. Nakaupo po siya sa bangko ng Alaska.
By the way, the PBA will have an exhibition game in Taguig City, Misamis Occidental, September 19, Thursday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon at Sinandunoy Cultural Gym. San Miguel will play Sunkist. That should be quite a matchup. So look out for that one. Johnny! Alaska is in the lead!
Execution. Johnny Abarientos is the take charge guy of Alaska.
Not the best player of the conference for nothing.
Yes. And Kenny Redfield is not the best import for nothing.
Oh, yes! Pablo!
Masasabi kung case ni Kenny Redfield, ikaw niya. Victor Pablo nakapayaan.
5 fouls na si Huino, partner.
Huino has had a good offensive night. Dalawang puntos ito si Poch Huino. 13 yata, no? 13 puntos na ito si Poch Huino. Yes.
Exacto, partner.
PBA Commissioner June Bernardino with former Commissioner and former Chairman Ray Marquez.
Now, this is the time when the other players of Shell, like Dixon, Pablo, Saldana, those who have not really come to the fore in the last few games, they have to do it all here tonight. If Shell is going to have any chance of extending this series.
Totoo yan, no? Team effort. But of course, ito si Kenny Redfield will want to take charge with the game on the line siguro in the home stretch.
Saldana with his 5th personal foul. Rene Hawkins will be on the line. By the way, go ahead please, you wanted to say.
Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin, maganda ang setup ng Alaska for Bong Hawkins to go one-on-one.
Just missed the free throw. Don't forget, Ateneo High School Class 74 will have a reunion at Chito's Restaurant on September 27, Friday, 7:30 in the evening. For details, you can call me up. 65-63. Oh!
Pero si Wito nakakuha ng rebound.
Bihira mangyari kay Hawkins yun, ha?
Totoo yan. Well, kanina nakita natin ito si John Chambers. Marami din mga minintis na free throws.
10 minutes, 52 seconds to go. Here's Johnny, the flying ace, sends it to the Hawk. The Hawk lets it fly!
Ibang klase possession by Bamba Hawkins.
And it is sufficient to give Alaska 1-point lead. Ramos with the foul. Ito yung binabanggit mo kanina. Kung sino yung aggressive, sino yung may focus. Ito yung tira ni Hawkins kanina. Yun ang sigurong may chance to bring home this ball game.
Ito si Hawkins, talagang determination on his face.
Oh, absolutely. Kita mo, he has the look.
Redfield.
Muntik madapa. Tixon. Shot clock. Maraming oras, ha? 12 seconds. Pablo. Can't get it to fall.
Masyadong malayo yung tira ni Big Pablo. Of course, Formula Shield running out of offensive options at that stage.
No Benji Paras on the floor right now.
Yes, wala si Benji. Tsaka si Redfield, dino-double team, no? Kanya pinapasa na niya yung bola.
Hawkins. Shot clock of Alaska has been reduced to 5.
Cariaso.
To Hawkins. Shot clock at 1. Alaska will run out of time for this one.
Well, ang play noon for Alaska was Cariaso on Santos at low post. Medyo pinersa yata ng Alaska in that situation. Credit the good defense of
Oo,
Formula
hindi
Shell.
na sasabihin ko,
Oo.
nag-hold yung depensa ng Shell doon sa eksena niya. 9:47 po. Maraming oras pang nalalabi. Redfield, ayaw. Shell has missed its last 4 attempts.
Yes, and coming from the outside. Those 2 long attempts by Formula Shell. Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina, how long with a high percentage of the field pass. And Bob Hawkins scoring from up close. Greg Ulpen's out on his feet, as well as the Alaska fans.
They are in front by 3. Chito Narvasa leads a timeout.
Wala, dagan pa kayo ng PDL. Parang,
Lots of basketball remaining here in game number 6, 68-65. Alaska is back on top. Shell with a big drought in front of them. Outside shooting has gone really sour. And Dixon.
Outside shot by Richie Dixon. That time ringing the bell.
Just when you say it.
Partner, the first half, 9 out of 22 from the outside on Formula Shell. That's 40% shooting. Dito sa second half so far, scoring 4 out of 16. 4 out of 16 ang Formula Shell.
Johnny shot does not crawl in. It looked like Redfield touched that glass, but referee Chris is going to stick with it.
And Jerry Redfield quickly inbounding the ball before the referee changes his mind.
Yes. Here's Benji Parra.